Imagine a world where every letter had to be handwritten. Enter the mechanical typewriter in the late 1860s, revolutionizing how individuals documented information. Invented by Scholes, Glidden, and Soule, it was a complex machine that ignited the era of office automation. Through the 20th century, designs evolved, integrating electric models like the IBM Selectric, enhancing speed and efficiency. The late 20th century transitioned us from these analog machines to fully digital keyboards, forever changing how we interact with technology, making communication faster and more efficient. Inviting you to ponder, could there be a successor to digital typing, perhaps controlling devices with mere thoughts?